Welcome, everybody. So I'm so freaking pumped about this spring summer group transformation that I will be hosting with some other transformation coaches, some very beautiful soul sisters of mine who we each are going to be having our own offerings. I'll get into that a little bit more, but today I'm just going to go over what is this group transformation, what can you expect, and who it's for. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen now. All right, guys. So the lifestyle transformation spring summer group. This is going to be kicking off in June. So all of this month, we're going to be getting together our group, and I'm so freaking excited. So go to the next slide. Who's ready? Here comes summer. I'm ready. So the inspiration behind this group that we're getting together is I recently just had a baby and I'm breastfeeding, and it's been a lot of changes, and it's summer, and I honestly just cannot wait to feel, my best again. I feel really good now given the circumstances, but I know for a lot of people, myself included, it is somewhat easier to do things with a group and to be able to lean on each other for experience. So that is the idea with this here, guys. So introduction, join us as we lead a group immersion into a higher vibrational lifestyle starting June 2022. The group transformation bundle comes with guided meditations, recipe ideas, and bi-weekly gatherings. So we will be meeting every 2 weeks for a group gathering to check in, answer questions, and also have some group coaching involved. So the goals of this transformation is to up level your nutrition. So organic superfood, high vibrational nourishment is the aim here. This is the foundation of this summer program. And then we're going to be working on our mindset. So mindset is everything. We are what we think, we create what we think. We will be having some mindset calls, getting through limiting beliefs, and then also just having the support of the community, meeting like-minded individuals, communicating throughout this transformation, possibly long thereafter, is the idea that this is something that is going to last in your life. It's an integrative immersion. It is not an intimidating immersion. So on to the next slide. What it's all about. So implementing positive change, starting with organic nutrition made easy, recipes and inspiration provided by a team of health and wellness coaches within a group setting. So we will be offering healthier, I say healthier, I just want to say healthy actually, recipes and what we call flex foods. So organic whole foods is the idea, but this is not a restriction, not a restrictive regimen, program, group transformation by any means. This is a lifestyle transformation. This is implementing into whatever your already existing lifestyle is, whether you still drink alcohol or you drink coffee every day. Do not be deterred from doing this with us, because it is a group transformation and it meets everyone where they're at, no matter where you're at. Okay, so there's no shaming, there's no super restrictive diet culture going on here. This is for anyone who's ready to create those healthy habits and implement daily rituals into their lives with organic nutrition and a kind, supportive community. So above all else, this is organic, quality, high vibrational nutrition paired with accountability and a group setting that you can lean on, come to for support, and we're going to grow together. So the foundation of the program. So we have our super amino 23. So this is going to be our main protein source within these superfoods, right? So it has a 99.9% net nitrogen utilization, which means that it absorbs into the body, into your bloodstream, without putting stress on your digestive tract and your liver and your kidneys. So it bypasses that. It's actually used by medical professionals for people who are in comatose state. I can get more into that in the program when you're there. And then Biomedic, this is my favorite. It is like number one thing. It just blows my mind. So it's proven by a third-party study to remove the toxic chemical glyphosate up to 74% from the body within 6 weeks. And it also reduces the C-reactive proteins. And if you don't know what that is, it is the biomarker for inflammation in the body up to 75%. So this is insane. Okay. So this is a study that was done over a 6-week period. Who knows exactly how much these things are reduced, say a year or 6 months. Okay, so to be able to know that you can remove these toxic chemicals that come from pesticide use on our food and also depletes our soil, which reduces the nutrient content of the food itself. Quote unquote, supplementation is necessary at this time. Now, not supplements that have chalk in them and a bunch of fillers and additives and sugar. That is not supplementation. Like, they give supplements a bad name. Okay. But for our current, food supply concerns, this is a solution and the answer in my eyes. I get my nutrition met. And then the Power Shake is my favorite. It is the ultimate green shake that tastes good. So it covers your micros and your macros, fuels your cells with living enzymes, and helps alkalize the body with organic ancient superfoods. This baby has 14 plus superfoods in it and is equivalent to 6 microgreen salads in one serving. So here's a little quick video of what it's like. So you just put it in a shaker bottle, shake it up with your preferably either filtered or spring alkalized water, not with the chemicals in it, because water also has some interesting corruption in it. But beside the point, then at the end of the night, you go with the apothecary. It's 100% tart cherry juice, and it aids our body's ability to produce melatonin. And melatonin is vital, guys. Melatonin is so important. It is not just for sleep. So I will go into that later in the program. But this helps with getting to sleep, right? Because it helps your body to produce the melatonin. It helps you go into a healthier circadian rhythm. And it is an antioxidant powerhouse. So they help to neutralize free radicals. That's what antioxidants do. And then Zinc Aid, you're going to get your zinc, vitamins A, C, D, and E, and literally all of your nutritional needs are met. And any food that you eat outside of this foundational nourishment is a bonus. It's to enjoy. You don't have to stress about what you're buying from the grocery store. Next one, so offerings and more. So organic superfood nutrition, you can see here on the left, these are our packs that we are going to be implementing throughout the summer in our group program. So the one on the top, you also get MVP Sport. It's going to be more of a protein source as well. You can use for after workouts. Cocoa Hydrate is good for hydration and electrolytes. I absolutely love it. It's a pineapple flavor and it is coconut water based. Aloe Digest, another great one to have for your gut health, and can't beat this is an amazing pre-workout. Now, each program comes with different schedules and you get to choose your own. Now, the easiest and the one that I'm going with and the one that I most recommend if you're just getting started is to just add these foods in to your already existing regimen. Whatever you already do, just add this in, okay? Because the way it works, you don't have to be so mentally pushing yourself. This is what the group coaching is going to be for, and it's going to be a huge, huge asset on your transformation journey, is to tap into these group calls. We also have meditations available, one-on-one coaching, oracle readings. I read cards, oracle cards, tarot cards, energy work. recipe ideas, exciting. And my baby is also excited about this, if you can't hear him in the background, and on-demand support. So with this, yes, you purchase the superfoods, and honestly, this is going to be one of the best freaking offers you can come across, because you're paying monetarily for the food that you're going to be consuming, and then you just get automatically plugged into this amazing community. Now, this is something that is limited. I'm not going to be doing this long term, but because it's summer 2022, there's a lot of stress going on, and I need support just as much as anyone else. And I'm just looking for others that are going to be on this journey with me. And, with our other coaches, I have 3 other ladies that are also going to be doing this with us. So exciting. So next one, the connection, body, mind, and soul, guys. This is not only about your physical body and the nutrition that you are going to be receiving and feeling. This is about your mind and your soul as well. So we're going to integrate that high vibrational nourishment into your day-to-day, no matter your current lifestyle or habits, right, guys? Again, for everyone, no matter where you're at, this will meet you there. And then your mind, we're going to work with the mental and spiritual self through guided meditations, coaching, and accountability. This has been mentioned before, but guys, it is the simple things that slip away the easiest. And then in the middle, we have soul. Take part in a kind community and lean on the support of the group while we all transform and raise our vibrations. For me, it is a soul mission that I am on, to make sure that I am feeding my soul, right, guys? So I am clean food for the soul. That is my brand. That is what I do. This is what I live. It's what I believe. It is my mission to consciously consume, to consciously create, and to consciously connect. That is what it's all about. And now we're even getting into, I heard a new term the other day, conscious commerce. And that is exactly what this is. Okay. So we're taking the mind, body, soul connection, which is vital. We all have this, and we're going to be rebalancing it over the course of 90 days. And this, again, I need to mention, it is a 90-day program, but it's setting you up to have long-term change, long-lasting transformation. It's not a quick fix. It's not a do it and then leave it and then never come back to it. Okay. This is to ease you into, so you don't have to do it alone, this lifestyle. So love the earth with us. So these packaging that I have up here on the screen, the Biomedic, this is the gut repair and that removes glyphosate from the body. I absolutely am just amazed at it. This is a compostable packaging. All you have to do is remove the labels, and voila, you can literally plant it in your backyard. It is at home compostable, and we practice regenerative organic farming. So the farms that we have personally that we source our superfoods from, they are held to very, very high standards. Okay. The highest standards in the business. Okay. You can go online. It is transparent. We can reach out to the owners, even they are involved in every step of the way. And I've even got to talk to them, and who am I to them? Right, guys? So that is, to me, the face of a new earth system, a new earth business that is actually leading us where we want to go. At least I know that's true for me. So if you are looking for a sign, then this is it. I've heard this more times than not. Usually it's in a conversation or, a post on social media or something like that. But someone's like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for this. I asked if I needed to do something for it to be shown to me. And here it is. So this is your sign. So find the magic and fun in consuming quality food that not only nourishes you, but the soil from which you came from. So the gut is said to be the internal soil of the body, because your serotonin and many hormones are produced in your gut. The gut bacteria kind of actually run your body. Believe it or not, I know it's crazy, but it's true. So that is why gut health is so important. It's going to help you lower inflammation. It's going to help you feel better depending on not even depending, whatever it is for you, whatever it is. this is going to help in some which way or form. Now, everyone's experiences are different, which is why this group transformation was inspired, so that we could all lean on each other while we take steps in a new direction. But yeah, guys, this is it. I know Nikolai is a bit loud, but he's just excited about this as well, because he's been getting superfood nutrition from the start. So the 90-day vision, guys, June 2022, we embark on this journey together. Now, I am so excited. My goal is to have 100 people in this group, all being able to lean on each other and share in the experience of superfood nutrition. July 2022, we're going to continue on with our superfoods and go deeper into subconscious programming and energy healing. Now, it is very common to experience emotional release, where, it could be coming, you don't know where it's coming from. You're like, I'm doing these good things for my body. Why do I feel so bad? So that is what the second month is going to be for, because I find that this is when things really start to come up, because on a cellular level, on a vibration level, on a frequency level, they're getting shaken out of your being. Any stored emotions that have been there for a long time, they're going to be shaken up, and so you can feel them, and so you can release them, let them go, and really embrace who you are becoming. August 2022, it says complete, but this is just the beginning, guys. August 2022 is just going to be the beginning, because this is now when we are setting the foundation to continue taking care of your mind, body, and soul long after this 90 days. So this is where the mindset coaching is going to come in. Oh, what do you have to say, baby? What would you like to say on this? What happens in August? Yay! I might have to redo this one. Okay, guys, so what to do now? In the present moment, does this sound like something you would benefit from? And do you know anyone else that would too? Now, this is the most important question to ask yourself. Okay, Wiggle Butt is now with us, guys. Because, like I said, this is something that is meant to be a support system, a group support, a group collaboration, and a movement, because we're all going to be raising our vibrations together, and that is powerful. So who do you think would join you? Who do you think would support you on your journey in up-leveling, your reality, your lifestyle, and feeling better? Who doesn't want to feel better? Who wants to do that with you? Is it a family member, a friend? Is it a coworker? Who is it? And then please ask any questions you have. Comment on this video, direct message me. I will be here to answer your questions. And then after this call, connect who invited you, which is me, Devin, and you can receive a $100 off gift code and set up your order. We can do that whenever we both have time to come and meet on a Zoom, because it's really awesome to just share the screen and you can see what to do. We can set you up. So that is the summer group transformation. So thank you so much. I value your time and energy here more than anything. So whether or not you're watching this live or you're tuning in later, please think about who you want to join you on this journey and join us as we embark on this. And summer is such a great time. That's why I decided to do this over the summer for myself, because it's so much easier to have a green juice or to have a salad, or not saying those are the healthiest things only, but over the summer, it's so hot outside. It's easier to eat, quote, healthier, because you're eating food that's alive, that's cold. In the winter, you want warm, hearty food, right? More heavy things. So this is the perfect, ideal time. And you'll have my support and the support of 4 other beautiful ladies that are also going to be leading this group transformation. So thank you so much for being here. My name is Devin, Clean Food for the Soul, with baby. Didn't make it, just me today, but I hope to hear from you soon, and happy healing.